In the video, and I'm gonna show my smited singing frog.
And this is the button. It's a little musical. So cute. So cute. It's a baby. It's a baby. It's a baby.
Well, I would press this, and then he would move his head side to side, and he would open his mouth.
Yeah.
But he's not on right now because we're waiting to do it. But I'm about to show you guys. But let me just show the bottom of him.
Yeah. He is really cute. Okay. Let's move his legs.
Off and on button.
Yeah, it's right here. Wait, let me show them. Has a little off and on button. All I have to do is that is off and that's on. So we need to keep him on if we want to play with him. But if we don't want to play with him and he doesn't want to run out of battery, we could just use the button thingy, switch thing. I don't know, control.
But I'm gonna show him.
Let's show them your engine.
No, we'll make a part 2 and we'll show you this. What I built. I built this.
Yeah, it's an engine.
Okay, let me just show you this because, yeah.
Why is he not working?
It takes a while. There you go.
Everything works. Enjoy it.
There you go. He got his flower, and yeah. Wait a minute.
So he is pretty cute. Everything works. His big old toes.
Wait a minute. Let me just. And then this one's just a puppet I use.
And this I'm using for Snapchat. Me and my brother are gonna make a part 3 of our puppets. We're gonna make a part 3.
Well, bye guys.